Owning a car comes with its fair share of maintenance and repair costs. While some fixes are essential to keep your ride running smoothly, others can drain your wallet without giving you much in return. Today, we're diving into 11 common car repairs that might just be wasting your hard-earned money. One, windshield replacement. Fix it before you replace it. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, and suddenly, crack. A tiny rock kicks up and chips your windshield. Your first instinct? Replace it immediately, right? Not so fast. If the chip or crack is small, you don't need to spend $200 or $300 on a full replacement. Instead, pick up a DIY windshield repair kit. Most small chips can be sealed with these kits, preventing them from spreading and saving you a considerable chunk of change. Two, cabin air and other filter replacement. A simple DIY job. Cars are packed with filters, but not all need to be replaced at a shop. One classic example is the cabin air filter. Typically found behind the glove compartment, its job is to keep the air inside your car fresh. A repair shop may charge up to $70 for this simple task, but you can do it yourself for a fraction of the price. Just grab the right filter for your car's make and model, and you're set. You'll feel good about the clean air and your budget. Three, regular engine tune-ups. Not always necessary. Back in the day, cars needed regular tune-ups to stay in shape. But modern vehicles, especially those made in the last 10 to 20 years, are far more advanced. Thanks to onboard computers that optimize engine performance, tune-ups are often unnecessary. If your engine feels sluggish, it might be something specific, like worn-out spark plugs, rather than needing a full tune-up. Don't let old habits cost you extra. 4. The lube job. A maintenance myth. Remember when cars needed regular lube jobs? Those days are mostly gone. Most modern vehicles have sealed systems that don't require lubrication. Unless you're driving a heavy-duty truck or an older model, chances are you don't need this service. Check your owner's manual before paying for a lube job. If it's not listed, skip it and save your money. Five, coolant, antifreeze, flush. Overkill for most cars. Sure, a coolant flush sounds like good maintenance practice, but think twice before going for it. Often, this process can dislodge debris, leading to leaks or even damaging seals. If your coolant system isn't experiencing issues, simply draining and replacing the coolant is often enough. Most modern coolants last up to 100,000 miles, so don't rush into a pricey flush. Six, the 3,000-mile oil change. An outdated rule. How many times have you seen that little sticker reminding you to change your oil every 3,000 miles? That might have been true decades ago, but today's engines and oils are far more efficient. Check your vehicle's manual. You might find it recommends oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles instead. Stick to that schedule, and you'll save both time and money. Seven, cleaning fuel injectors. Rarely needed. If your car's engine feels sluggish or you notice stalling, it could be due to dirty fuel injectors, or it could be something else entirely. Modern injectors are designed to withstand buildup, and today's gas contains more detergents that help keep them clean. Instead of rushing to get them professionally cleaned, try running a few tanks of high-quality gas first. It's often enough to resolve minor issues. 8. Replacing a single tire. Sometimes, it's just fine. And imagine this. You get a flat, and the tire shop tells you to replace 2, or even all 4, tires. Sounds costly, right? Here's the truth. If the remaining tire on the opposite side still has at least 75% of its tread, replacing just the flat is perfectly fine. Sure, having matching tires is ideal, but don't be swayed into spending on replacements you don't need. 9. Front-end alignment. Only if you really need it. It's easy to think that every little bump or pothole means your alignment is off. But the reality is, unless your steering pulls to one side or you notice uneven tire wear, there's no need for a front-end alignment. Wait until you have a noticeable issue. Otherwise, you might be paying for an adjustment that won't last long. (10) Air conditioner recharge. Check before you recharge your car's AC isn't blowing as cold as it used to. So, naturally, you might think it needs a recharge. However, most modern AC systems are sealed well enough to hold their refrigerant for years. Often, the problem lies elsewhere, like a faulty blower fan or a blocked vent. Have these checked first before spending $200 to $300 on a recharge. (11) Tire balancing and rotation. Don't overdo it. Balancing is essential when you buy new tires, but beyond that, it's not usually needed unless you experience vibration or uneven wear. Tire rotation, on the other hand, is beneficial every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, especially for front-wheel drive vehicles where the front tires wear faster. Rotate your tires regularly, but only balance them when you feel it's necessary. When it comes to car repairs, it's easy to get caught up in old habits or be convinced by a mechanic to spend more than necessary. Keep your car's manual handy, stay informed, and don't be afraid to ask questions. By knowing which repairs are truly essential, you can keep your car running smoothly while keeping your bank account happy. Safe driving.